सौरभ आप तू राउता.
हाँ हूँ हैदराबाद रहा था.
Okay, so you're originally Goan and your mission, as your helmet says, is to teach people Konkani.
Yeah.
Can you tell us a little bit about your online Konkani classes?
Yeah, actually I surfed one day on YouTube whether there were any classes, Konkani classes basically, which is
Yeah.
spoken in Goa. But I found there were classes teaching Mangalorean Konkani and not Goan Konkani. So I thought why not I start YouTube channel which could feature again Konkani.
So what's the address of the channel? How do people find it?
Or you can just search Saurabh Kaisare
Yeah,
or learn Konkani and you can find the videos.
I see, I see. So what has been your experience so far? How long have you been doing it? And
It's a very young channel. 2 or
Yeah.
3 months ago, I started the channel,
Yeah.
and the response has been really good.
many people have been saying we need some channel online to learn Konkani.
Yeah,
And while there are a few classes in Goa, very few, it's
Yeah.
not scalable.
yeah.
So I think this online thing can really break into this thing, and what's your thought on it? That online is the way to go?
Yeah, actually, online, basically for me, it was a platform where I can reach masses, right?
Yeah.
Even outside India, people can watch it. And now I would be coming up with a new series where even people who don't know Devanagari script, the script in which Konkani is written, even they can learn Konkani.
So what's your process like? I mean, how do you get them started? Is it easy? Is it difficult to teach, say, a person who's completely raw in the language?
You take some time. Basically, I would prefer Devanagari script
Yeah.
if you learn because the pronunciations are more
Closer.
close. Yeah, they're more accurate. And then while starting, obviously, I would say just go through the Devanagari script first, and then learning is quite easy. If you know Hindi, especially, it is very easy. All the Devanagari languages which use
Yeah.
Devanagari script.
So how long would it take a person to learn the basics of Konkani, for example?
Uh, According to me, around 1 year, 6 months to 1 year.
Of
Yes.
how often?
Once a week.
Once
Once
a
a
week.
week, even if you.
And what's your focus? Is it vocabulary? Is it sentences? Is it functional language?
Yeah, actually, I think I'm basically looking in spoken Konkani, more of
Yeah.
spoken Konkani, and not more into detail. So I'll start first. I'll start first with the spoken Konkani and then go more into deep.
So tell us something about your family. You've been settled. You're Goan, but you've been studying in out of Goa for a long time.
Yeah.
How long?
It has been almost after birth. I've been roaming here and there.
Yeah.
Because of education and all, and now would be settling in Bangalore
Yeah.
because of.
So you mentioned that you were in Yemen
Yeah,
initially
yeah,
as a
yeah.
child,
Yeah.
and then you came to
Pune.
Yeah.
For till my SSC I was in Pune,
yeah.
and then for again diploma I was in Aurangabad in Maharashtra, and
Yeah.
then graduation in Nanded, Maharashtra.
So in such a multilingual context, how do you keep your links with Konkani, which is a small language and not often heard, and
Yeah, actually, I have been just starting
yeah.
the Konkani thing, teaching Konkani. Let's see how it goes.
Okay. But you have been speaking it yourself in your home.
Yeah,
and-
yeah, yeah. In home we
Yeah.
talk in Konkani.
When it comes to reading, writing material, do you feel there's sufficient? Do you feel more should be done in any particular field?
Yeah, actually, now after I talked to you, I came to know that people are working for Konkani, obviously, but it is not reaching the masses which should reach.
And the left hand doesn't know what the right hand is doing. Like
Yeah,
there is no
yeah,
coordination
there's no
among.
coordination between them.
Have you seen the books of, say, the Goa Konkani Academy or Dalghat Konkani Academy or Thomas Stevens? Goa Konkani Academy has a wide selection.
Yeah. I would be going.
Children's
to
books,
so-
particularly, at the Pato Bridge.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, the books are hard to come by.
That is the problem, I feel.
So like for example, when we have the book club meeting, I was going through the old videos. One of our members was saying how to learn Konkani, and he fished out 3 or 4 books which he found useful. But by the time they are popular, the books are out of print.
Yeah, exactly.
And if they are in print, you are not aware of them. So this dilemma is there.
Yeah.
So these kind of problems. What do you think needs to be done? See, you're an engineer yourself. How can technology help to solve this language problem?
Basically, I think a good suggestion from you, obviously, the audio files because they're very, the size is quite less.
Yeah.
And again, video, obviously, video is quite easy for you to understand as well.
Yeah.
So I think that would do. Again, YouTube is again a very good medium for me to reach to you, obviously, for learning Konkani.
All the best and keep
Thank
up the
you.
good work.
Thank you.